If progress has slowed after 40, most people assume the problem is effort. They think they need to train harder, add more sessions, push through fatigue. In practice, the opposite is usually true. After 40, most plateaus aren't caused by lack of motivation. They're caused by poor recovery management. The biggest mistake I see isn't skipping workouts. It's treating recovery like something optional, something you'll address once pain or exhaustion shows up. Recovery isn't passive. It's not a reward for hard training. It's part of the training process itself. Research consistently shows that when recovery is insufficient, strength gains slow, fatigue accumulates, and injury risk rises, even when training volume looks reasonable on paper. As we age, recovery capacity declines slightly. At the same time, life stress often increases. Work demands, poor sleep, travel, calorie restriction, family obligations. All of that counts as stress. The problem isn't that training stops working after 40. It's that the margin for error gets smaller. Training stress doesn't only come from the gym. Two people can follow the same program and get very different results depending on recovery. That's why many people say, "I'm doing everything right, but nothing's changing." The program isn't necessarily wrong. The total load is just too high for recovery capacity. Smarter training after 40 accounts for weekly volume, intensity distribution, sleep quality, recovery between hard sessions, long-term consistency. When recovery improves, strength often increases, joint pain decreases, energy returns. Not because effort increased, but because stress was managed better. Most plateaus after 40 aren't a failure of discipline. They're a signal that load has exceeded recovery. That's why the After 40 guide treats recovery as a training variable, not an afterthought. If you want to train consistently without feeling beat up, the guide walks you through how to do that step by step.